Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the mesh, gloves, goggles, and good ventilation. Once set, spray or brush on an approved emulsion remover and let it dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes so the chemistry penetrates. After that short soak, use a plastic or wooden scraper at a shallow angle to lift softened emulsion. Work from an edge toward the center. Make sure to avoid metal scrapers which can nick threads. Keep the scraper flat and controlled to start removing bulk material. Once the bulk is gone, you move to deeper cleaning. Set a pressure washer to roughly 60 to 80 psi with a wide-angle nozzle and rinse from the print side to the squeegee side. While rinsing, scrub gently with a soft nylon brush along the mesh direction to avoid stretching. If stubborn emulsion remains, reapply remover, let it sit for another few minutes, then rinse again. Repeat this cycle until you can see light through every thread aperture. Make sure to keep the frame flat to prevent water pooling. You finish by neutralizing residues with a water rinse and a light degreaser or screen opener, which removes ghost images and oils. Once rinsed, allow the screen to air dry completely on a horizontal rack to prevent dust. Make sure it's fully dry before emulsion recoating. Inspect under bright light for pinholes or residue. If you see stubborn spots, treat those areas with another short remover application and a soft brush. If threads are damaged, replace the mesh rather than pushing through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.